Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul over here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here or go over to Buy Me Coffee. The link is in the description, and thank you for your support. Today's coffee request comes from Aussie Deb. Aussie Deb says, "Hi all, this is one of Southern Sun's most popular songs, Heart in Danger. The fantastic, then 20-year-old Jack Jones singing with Phil Buckle, an amazing songwriter. Jack is still performing live today. Phil stopped recently. I hope he keeps writing though. He has written some of John Farnham's classics too. Love our Aussies. Cheers, Deb." What John Farnham songs did he write? Let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Discord. The link is in the description. It would be nice to have you in our growing community. And let's go straight to Southern Suns. Heart in Danger. Burn for You, nice. Nice. Love his hair. This is, I don't know, I think this is really, this is the 80s, right? It feels really 80s. I like this. I like the hair, and I like it's very an 80s vibe, you know. It's like soft, not soft rock, but it's 80s rock. It's nice. It's so nice. And I can see how John Farnham fits. It's country rock, okay. I can see, like, if John Farnham had a duet with him, I can see how you know the songs kind of fit his vibe as well. Thief of Time. And there's the guitar solo. Dang. This is such a nice song, guys. Feels like a, what you call it? You know, like when you have like an intro or an outro of a series, it feels like this could be one of those. Like a soap opera series, a teen series, something like that. This could be like a intro song, a theme song. Even the DVD scratch. And the slow fade. Very 80s. I'm sure this feels very nostalgic to you guys. Like if you have grown up listening to the song, I'm pretty sure you felt some nostalgia right there. This is nice. And it's very catchy too. And it's normally when these videos, I mean when these songs have like a repetitive chorus, it is always catchy. For some reason, this kind of reminds me of Flashdance. Is that the name of the movie? Flashdance? No, it's not Flashdance, is it? Or is it just Dance? Or is it just Flash? What's the name of the movie? Is it Flashdance? No, it's not. Footloose. There it is. All these movies were released on like the same year. Footloose, Dirty Dancing, Fame, Saturday Night Fever was way before. Flashdance kind of reminds me of Footloose. Kind of, you know, that kind of vibe. I don't know why. But anyways, that was pretty cool, pretty awesome, pretty dope. Thank you so much, AussieDeb, for this request. If you guys want to request a video just like AussieDeb did, go over to Buy Me a Coffee. Link is in the description. Click over here or click over here to see my next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.